Hi, are you preparing for the IAS exam 2021? The fact is, only 1 out of 50 aspirants are able to clear the prelims exam. Like ambitious but confused Abhimanyu, aspirants often lack an exit strategy to come out of the UPSC Chakravyuh, giving prelims again and again and again with little luck. And on top of it, since 2017, the UPSC exam has become highly unpredictable. There are three major reasons. The first one is questions are no longer asked from the standard books like Lakshmikant, Spectrum, or the basic NCERT. The second one is there is very high uncertainty in terms of the number of questions being asked from static or from the current affairs portions. And the third and the most important one is each one of you is unique in terms of your learning abilities, skills, competencies, strength areas, and weak areas. But the outdated evaluation methodology in which one-size-fit-all approach from the popular mock test series, they fail to give you any meaningful practices even after giving 50 or 60 mock tests. I'm MK Yadav, the founder of the IAS Hub, and we have introduced the artificial intelligence driven IAS preliminary score enhancement crash course to help you to increase your score by 50 marks. That is strategically designed to clear the prelims 2021. It has three major components. Because each one of you is unique, so we have the unique components in this program. The first one is 7-week, 7 subjects, in which we are going to go beyond the standard sources, beyond the basic NCERTs, beyond the Spectrum, beyond the Lakshmikant book. And this will provide you both current affairs as well as the static portions and full coverage of all these subjects, including polity, economics, geography, history, environment, science and tech, international relations, and current affairs. The second component is a customized test series. Yes, it's a customized test series. This is going to supplement your classes, and for the first time, an artificial intelligence will help you not only to track your areas of improvement, but also to customize the test to bridge this particular gap. So if your factual part is weak, we will give you more fact-related questions. If your analytical part is weak, you will get more analytical questions. If you are weak in one particular subject, you will get more questions for that particular subject. Each one of you will get a different set of questions according to your learning abilities. And the third component is to solve your problems like anxiety, nervousness. There will be a personal mentorship. So me and the other faculties will give you a live mentorship session to clear not only your doubts related to subject, but for the other doubts. This course of score enhancement program is for anybody who is absolutely serious about cracking the civil services exam 2021. Out of the 200 plus candidates which I mentored and they cleared the 2019 exam, 24 of them were able to clear this exam in the very first attempt. Thank you. Register now.